Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about 7 impressive benefits of carrot juice. Carrot juice is extracted from whole carrots and extremely nutritious. It not only provides potassium and vitamin C but also is very rich in provitamin A. Drinking carrot juice is thought to boost immunity and improve eye and skin health, among other benefits. 1. Highly nutritious. Carrot juice is low in calories and carbs while packing numerous nutrients. Calories, 96, protein, 2 grams, fat, less than 1 gram, carbs, 22 grams, sugars, 9 grams, fiber, 2 grams, vitamin A, as provitamin A, 255% of the daily value, vitamin C, 23%, vitamin K, 31%, potassium, 15%. 2. May improve eye health. Specifically, 1 cup 250 milliliters of carrot juice packs over 250% of the DV for vitamin A, mostly in the form of provitamin A. Carotenoids like beta-carotene. Vitamin A is vital for eye health. Several studies associate the intake of fruits and vegetables that contain provitamin A with a decreased risk of blindness and age-related eye diseases. 3. May boost immunity. Both vitamins A and C found in carrot juice act as antioxidants and protect immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, this juice is a rich source of vitamin B6, providing over 30% of the DV in 1 cup 240 milliliters. Not only is vitamin B6 necessary for an optimal immune response, but deficiency in it is also linked to weakened immunity. 4. May provide anti-cancer effects. Specifically, polyacetylenes, beta-carotene, and lutein from carrot juice extract may be effective against human leukemia cells. One test tube study found that treating leukemia cells with carrot juice extracts for 72 hours led to cancer cell death and stopped the cell growth cycle. Another test tube study reported similar results but indicated that polyacetylenes, not beta-carotene or lutein, are the main anti-cancer agents in carrot juice. 5. May improve blood sugar control. In particular, studies in rats with type 2 diabetes show that fermented carrot juice decreases blood sugar and improves other related markers. That's because the juice contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that affect gut bacteria associated with diabetes. Another rodent study found that purple carrot juice boosts blood sugar control due to the anti-inflammatory effect of its anthocyanin pigments. Yet these are very specific types of carrot juice. It isn't known whether regular carrot juice has similar effects. 6. May improve skin health. The nutrients in carrot juice may be particularly beneficial for skin health. 1 cup 250 milliliters of carrot juice provides over 20% of the DV for vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient necessary for collagen production. This compound is the most abundant fibrous protein in your body, and it provides elasticity and strength to your skin. 7. May boost heart health. Carrot juice may help reduce risk factors for heart disease. First, carrot juice is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in proper blood pressure regulation. A high potassium diet has been shown to protect against high blood pressure and stroke. I hope you like this video. PLZ. Subscribe for more updates.